Hello programmers. So today we will see Opencv drawing functions. So there are various drawing functions that such as circle, rectangle, polylines, convex, etc. So today we will see one of them, that is circle function. So today let's start with creating new file. So I will give file name as cv draw circle .py. So our first task is importing Opencv package. So import cv2. After that we will see what is the circle function. See circle function. In circle function there is first parameter is image, then second is center, then radius of circle you want, then there is colors and thickness. We can also give line type and also there is shift parameter. That many parameters the circle function contains. So image parameter represents the given image. Center is center of circle. Radius of that circle which we want to draw. Color is color of circle. Thickness denotes the circle's outline if value is positive, and if value is negative, then that means that filled circle is to be drawn. We will keep note of that thickness. If positive, it draws outline. If negative, it draws filled circle. Okay, so line type. In line type is the type of boundary we want, and shift represents the fractional bits in coordinate of center. So let's see. So we are imported cv2. Let's read image. img is equal to, we saw in previous videos, im read function. So we will give path. So I kept our image in media folder. So media kk.png. So next we will give cv2.circle function. In that first parameter is image, that img we are reading. Another is center which we want. Then suppose we will give, we will give some 50. Then we will give the radius of image as 10. Then we will give color to 5500. Then we will see first filled circle, as I gave negative value. Then cv2 dot im show function, that will show the image, that is label, or you can say tab name, image. Then we'll give weight key. Then cv2 dot destroy all windows. as that will destroy when we click any button. So let's run Python cv underscore draw circle.py. So I made a mistake, that is im read only, not img read. Let's run again. See that the circle is drawn. So if you want to change the center, you can change. I'll keep a 150 and increase radius. Let's run again. See, circle is drawn. So thank you friends. Let's meet in another video. We will see how to draw rectangle. Thank you.